were 4. Within a couple of passes, there were 7. From the size of these fires, it seems as though we're not only trying to kill everything in the Gulf of Mexico, but everything that flies over it as well. This toxic environment can't be good for the birds that fly over the Gulf, and certainly nothing can live in these rainbows of death that cover the entire horizon. These rainbows stretch for miles in every direction. You can't see a clear place on the Gulf anywhere around this. Each of these fires probably burns an equivalent of less than an Olympic-sized swimming pool. From 1.2 miles off the shores of Gulf Shores, Alabama, to the ground zero site some 90 miles away, we haven't flown over a single square inch of clear water. Imagine how many fires it'll take to burn that much oil. There has to be something better than putting all this toxic smoke into the atmosphere. Why are there not large ships here with suction devices that can go down and pull this stuff closer to the source and put it on ships and recycle it somehow?